If you remember, in the previous videos, we created files by using touch, right? But this time around, with Vim installed, we can create a new file by issuing the command Vim, then we give it a name. For example, let us say Vim file 1. You hit enter. So it takes you to where you can edit whatever you want to edit or whatever you want to type. So here we have a blank file to type our text. Now, there are different ways you can use Vim. There are different commands, but like I said, Vim is very easy to use. As it looks now, you can't type anything in Vim. I know this is not, this tutorial is not about Vim, but I just wanted to show you some highlights. So if you try to type something now, it's not going to, you won't be able to type anything. For example, you see, I'm trying to press some keys, but nothing would type. Before you can type something, you need to hit the I button on your keyboard. So just look at where it says file, because this is the name of our file. Remember, we typed Vim file. So now let me hit the I button. You see, now it says insert. When it says insert, it means you can type something now. So we are still in insert mode, which means we can still type something. So now before you issue any command now, you first of all need to hit the escape key. So just watch where it says insert. Let me hit the escape key. You see, the insert is gone. Before you can add the line numbers, first of all, you hit the escape key. Now you are no longer in insert mode. So you type colon, you look at that. I believe that's what it's called. Now that I typed it, I can say set number. Hit enter. As you can see, we now have our numbers. If you wanted to remove this number, you can actually do that. So to do that, what you can do is to hit the colon again. Now the set number is gone. Now you can say set number exclamation mark. You hit enter, the numbers are gone, right? Press the colon again. You see, now in order to save this text, you hit W, which is right. It means you are saving this text. So if you want to quit without saving, you hit Q. Another thing that you can do, you can also add the exclamation mark, which is like forcing it to quit. If for whatever reason it won't quit, adding an exclamation mark would have it quit by force. It will force it to quit. The same thing you can do if you wanted to write, which is to save. You can also add the exclamation mark. Another thing is this. We can actually use both, which is write, quit, and then the exclamation mark. So it's going to save and quit. Now we are out of the text. Thank you for watching. Can I ask you again to subscribe to my channel, to like, to share? Bye.